Mr. Antonio P. Santos, to the supportive Barangay Kagawad, to the school principals in attendance, the school principal of Green Village Elementary School, Sir Ronaldo P. Santos, and to the beautiful school head of Jevmin Elementary School, Mrs. Victoria P. Calma, to the teacher guests, parents, to the barangay captain and his officials, PTCA, dear graduates, a pleasant evening to all. Let me start my message to you with this maxim. Education is the most profitable form of investment. More so, investing in education is securing our children's future. It is on this premise that I congratulate all of you, especially your parents, for you were able to handle the difficulties caused by your education and the calamities that besets our country. That is why the theme of this year's graduation is Hindi Natitinag ang Pusong Filipino. Tayo daw pong mga Pilipino ay very resilient. Kaya natin ang lahat ng unos na dumarating sa ating buhay. Tayo nga lang daw po ang tao sa buong mundo na kahit na nabaha, nasunugan, or anumang kalamidad meron, basta nadaanan ng kamera, tayo ay tumatawa or kumakaway. So, ibig sabihin na ang mga Pilipino ay matatag. So, sa inyong mga graduates or nagsipagtapos ngayon, napakaswerte ninyo dahil napagwagian ninyo ang unos ng buhay sa elementarya. Sana yung inspirasyon na ibinigay na ninyong mga guro ay magtuloy-tuloy, dalhin ninyo hanggang sa high school and even sa college level. Dahil ang batang marunong mag-aral ay magiging matagumpay sa buhay. Sa ating pong mga magulang na narito ngayon, maraming salamat dahil sa patuloy ninyong pagsuporta sa ating mga anak. Sana po hindi dito natatapos ang ating pagsuporta sa kanila. Sana po tuloy-tuloy ang pagsuporta natin sa ating mga anak. Sabay tayong mangarap na sa darating na panahon, kapag po sila ay nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, kasama po tayo sa kanilang tagumpay. Sa ating pong mga opisyales ng barangay, patuloy po sana ninyong suportahan ang ating mga paaralan dahil sa ating pong partnership nakasalalay ang anumang pagbabago na anumang pong improvement magkakaroon ang ating mga paaralan. So muli, sa lahat po ng narito ngayon, congratulations po sa lahat. Mabuhay po tayo.
To the graduates, may you always remember the inspiration which you have just heard. We hope that this message will always linger in your hearts and will serve as a guiding light in your studies. Try to attain wisdom and it will make you great. Congratulations all of you, my dear graduates. We now give full recognition to the children who possess some desirable traits and characteristics. They showed special talents, skills, and interests in some other fields of endeavor. These are the pupils who have shown exemplary performance worthy of recognition. The deserving pupils in grade 6 will receive a medal and a gift. All medals were donated by Honorable Congressman Noel L. Villanueva and Honorable Mayor Andres D. Lacson. May I request our PTA President, Mr. Rolando D. Macian, together with Mrs. Aleja Z. Castro and Miss Julibet Z. Lacanduna to please ascend on the stage and do the awarding of medals. May I also request Miss Nilda M. Tiglao